So this problem consists a shunt motor having a field resistance of 50 ohms and armature resistance of 0.06 ohms, and it is fed from a 200 volts supply. It is fed from a 200 volts supply, and given that it delivers an output power of 17.158 kilowatts for an input power of 20.2 kilowatts. So given output power and input power, so we know the losses at this condition. Now he is asking to find out efficiency and the input power when the machine is delivering so and so power output, 7.46 kilowatt power output. Okay, so this is the condition. We have to calculate the constant losses from here and then find out the input power. Output power is given, input power should be calculated. So add the constant losses plus armature copper losses to the input power, will get the output power. To the output power to get the input power. So the first objective is to find out the losses from the given first case. So we have P output is equals to 17.158 kilowatts and P input we have 20.2 kilowatts. So the total losses in the machine is equals to 20.2 minus 17.158. okay, so how much is this losses coming to be? How much is this? Yeah, please tell me how much is this value?
$3.042 kilowatts.
3.042 kilowatts, right? Okay, so can we find out the armature copper losses at this moment? So what is the field current? Field current is 200 by 50, so this is coming to the 4 amps. Now yeah, so we know the input power. So what is I load current? 20.2 into 10 to the power of 3 divided by 200. So this is coming to a value of, how much is this? ఎంత వస్తుందమ్మా అది?
Sir, 101.
So this is 101 amps. Okay, now from this I can calculate the armature current. 101 minus 4, so it is coming to 97 amps, right? So from the total losses here we obtained, let us segregate or subtract the copper losses to get the constant losses. So constant losses is equals to total losses, that is 3.042 kilowatts minus the copper losses, armature copper losses, that is 97 square into 0.06. This is in watts Amadi. So if I divide this by 1000, I'll get in kilowatts, so that because I have used the kilowatts here. So what is this value coming to?
Sir, 2.477 kilowatts.
2.471 kilowatts, right? So this is complete constant losses. You have calculated the entire expression, right? Simplified, right? Okay, is it so? Yeah. Now now this is the constant losses. Now come to the second operating condition. That is, what is given second operating condition? Second operating condition is given that P output is equals to 7.46 kilowatts. So we want to find out efficiency and power input. So for finding out power input, so we add up the output power plus constant losses plus the armature copper losses to this. So constant losses we have just calculated, that is 2.471 kilowatts. This is also kilowatts. Now what is armature copper losses in kilowatts at this operating condition, right? So let us assume that the armature current at this operating condition be IA, and if I add these to 4 amps of shunt current, now this I will be getting the line current. Is that true? Line current. Now if I multiply this into 200 volts, I will be getting the another expression for power input. Is that correct? I am assuming a armature current of IA at this output power. To this I am adding a shunt current 4 amps, that gives me a line current. This is now line current multiplied by 200 volts terminal voltage gives me the input power, other expression. Now this input power is also equals to the output power plus constant losses plus armature copper losses. Armature copper losses is IA square into 0.05 divided by 1000 or into 10 to the power of minus 3. This is in kilowatts. Okay, now can you please solve this expression and find out the IA value. Now this is a quadratic equation. You have to solve this quadratic equation for IA. This is in terms of IA square into some constant, IA into some constant, and plus some constant is equals to 0. From that quadratic equation you determine the value of IA. Two values you will be getting. Please tell me, do that and tell me.
Sir, RA 0.06, sir.
0.06, right? Okay. This is 0.06, right? RA is 0.06. shunt current is 4 amps, right? Yeah. Anybody finished doing? Okay. What are the values you got? Yes. So this side also you have to divide by, this is 200 into this current, this is in watts, you have to divide this by 1000, mind you. So I believe, so this, I think I can remove this one, this one, this one and this one, I can cut. So this comes to 0.06 Ia square minus 200 Ia plus this is what is this value, 4.76 plus 2.471 minus 800 is equals to 0. Yeah, please tell me Ia values, everybody. So no one has done?
Sir, 46.29, sir.
What is the other value? 46.29.
3,287.
Other value is
3,287.03, sir.
3287.0 something, right? So this is definitely not the our value, which is which we can take it. So 46 is appropriate to our machine ratings. Now if 46 is our current, then find out the copper losses and then find out the input power. So input power input is equals to simply 200 into 46 plus 4. So it is coming to same for 50.29. How much is this? Madam, good morning. Madam. Hello. Madam, good morning. అవునా, ఆహా, కాలేజ్ వాళ్ళు తీసుకెళ్ళిపోయారా? ఆహా, ఓకే. అది మరి ఏమో మేడం, అది మన కాలేజ్. ఆ, ఆ, ఆ. అదేలేండి, అదేదో మన అఫిడవిట్ లాంటిది ఇవ్వాలి కదా దాంతోపాటు. ఆ, ఓకే ఓకే. ఎప్పుడు తీసుకెళ్ళుంటారు మేడం వాళ్ళు, కాలేజ్ వాళ్ళు? ఓకే ఓకే, 2 months బ్యాక్ తీసుకెళ్ళారు. ఓకే అలాగే అలాగే. ఓకే మేడం, ఓకే ఓకే. ఓకే మేడం, థ్యాంక్ యూ బాయ్ బాయ్. Yeah. So what is the input power? How much is this? Yeah, please tell me what is this product? 200 into 50.29.
10.058, sir.
Huh? 10.0
10.058 kilowatts.
018
58.
058 kilowatt. Okay, so this is power input, this is power output. So what is the efficiency? హలో అమ్మ, ఏం లేదు, అది కాలేజ్ మేడం ఫోన్ చేసింది ఇప్పుడే. మీ సర్టిఫికేట్స్ కాలేజ్ వాళ్ళు మొన్న డిసెంబర్లో తీసుకెళ్ళిపోయారంట. మీరు కాలేజీలో కనుక్కోలేదా? అలా ఎలా అంటారండి, నాకు అర్థం కాదు. లేదు, మొన్న డిసెంబర్లో తీసుకెళ్ళి వెళ్ళారంట. ఒకసారి కనుక్కోండి. ఇంకా ఒకవేళ అక్కడ అవ్వదని అనిపిస్తే ఇక్కడ ఇది మళ్ళీ డూప్లికేట్ లాంటిది, దానికి ఒకటి అఫిడవిట్ ఫిలప్ చేయాలి. 20 రూపీస్ బాండ్ పేపర్ తెచ్చుకొని దానికి అఫిడవిట్ ఫిలప్ చేసి ఇస్తే మీకు ఇచ్చేస్తారు. అయితే అదన్నా చేయండి, ఇదన్నా చేయండి. రైట్ రైట్. So what is the efficiency?
74.15.
Okay, 7.46 divided by 10.058. This is 74%, right? Some value. Okay, so that is fine. Now let us move to one more problem. Yeah. So a 200 volt 14.92 kilowatt DC shunt motor, when tested by a Swinburne's method, gave the following result. So at no load operation, no load current, armature current is 6.5 amps and field current is 2.2 amps. And the DC resistance test, what do you mean by DC resistance test? At standstill, we just apply a small voltage to the armature, and we measure the current, because only the opposing resistance to this voltage is RA. Okay, opposing resistance to this voltage is RA. That is why the current flowing is very large. So this is I is equals to V by R, or R is equals to V by I. So from the DC resistance test you can find out RA is equals to 3 volts by 70 amps. So this gives the RA value. Okay, and there may be some cases where if this is found at room temperature, then you will be multiplying some factor 1.2 or 1.3 factor to the obtained resistance, so that the armature resistance is taken at normal operating condition. In some cases, in some books they may be saying DC room temperature resistance or operating condition resistance, so you take care of that multiplying factor 1.2. Okay, now what is asking? To find out the efficiency at full load operating condition. right? How do we proceed? At no load operating condition, what is given? Armature current is given, field current, both currents are given, both ammeters are measuring these two values, and rated voltage we have applied. Yeah, so power input under this condition is 200 volts supply voltage multiplied by the line current. So line current is armature current plus the field current. So this is 8.7 amps. So 200 into 8.7 amps, and this is volts. So how much is this we getting? And that's only 14, 1, 16, 17, 1740 watts. 1740 watts. Okay. Now in this, if I try to subtract the armature copper losses under that condition, armature copper losses will be 6.5 square into this value, armature resistance. Let us not take any multiplying factor because okay, I am just giving the concept, but let us take the only 3 by 70. So 3 by 70 ohms. So how much is this value? Tell me.
Sir, 1.81.
1.81 watts, right? Now, so constant losses is equals to total input power minus 1.81 watts. So this comes to 1730 38.19 watts. This is the constant loss. Okay. So this is constant loss, right? Now coming to the condition which we want to find out, that is efficiency at full load operating condition. So full load operating condition means, so this much of output power it is delivering, 14.92. So P out we know, that is 14.92 kilowatts it is delivering, right? I don't know the input power, I don't know the input line current, and I don't know the armature current. Okay, so now output power plus constant losses plus the same thing, I believe same thing, you can find out the output power is given. I want to find out the efficiency. So to this, if I add the constant losses 1.7382 kilowatts plus armature copper losses into point, okay, 3 by 70 into 1 by 1000 in, this is kilowatts. Now this is the total power input, and power input can also be found in similar way, that is 200 volts 200 volts multiplied by the armature current plus the field current. Field current is known, field current is known, yeah, 2.2 amps. 2.2 amps divided by 1000 to get the kilowatts. So please do this. Tell me what is IA. Again I can strike off this all kilowatts. Now what is IA? Yes, anybody finish calculating? So what is IA? No one has calculated?
$82.53, sir.
So IA is 72.58 amps, right? So I want the power input. I want power input is equals to, yeah, 200 into 72.58 plus 2.2 in watts. How much is this value?
Sir, IA 82, sir.
IA 82? Yeah, you said 82? Okay, so IA
Yes,
is
sir.
82, so 82.58 plus 2.2 amps, so multiplied by 200 gives me the power input. How much is this value? Yes,
Sir, 16.956 kilowatts.
16. Yeah, 16.956 kilowatts. Am I correct? So efficiency is output power is 14.92 kilowatts by 16.956 kilowatts. So how much is this value percentage wise?
87.99%.
87.99%. Okay, that is fine. Okay, so we'll stop here.